Hi there, Melody from WTI, and let me tell you all about this gorgeous beanbag chair cover from Delmach. If you're looking for a fun yet durable beanbag chair cover, this one is for you. It's such a great quality make. This amazing soft microsuede material is high quality, non-toxic, and machine washable, which is what I absolutely love. I have a small place, so I'm stuffing mine with tons of blankets that I have. This is great for adults and even kids. The more you stuff it, the more comfortable it's going to be. So besides the material that I absolutely love, I love that the zipper is really good quality made. I love the double stitched seams that it has on here, so you can really tell that it's going to last a long time. And to relocate it, even if it's heavy, I love this handle so you can drag it around. So whether you're going to relax in your living room watching TV, reading a book, anybody in the family is going to absolutely love using this beanbag chair, whether you stuff it with blankets, beans, or stuffed animals. And that is my point of view.